Module 6. Predictive Analytics in Patient Care, Anticipating Health, Forging the Future of Patient-Centric Care. Chapter 6. Risk Stratification and Prediction. Section 6.1. Peering into the Crystal Ball of Health. Imagine a healthcare landscape where risks are foreseen and interventions are tailored, preempting health challenges. This chapter ushers us into the realm of predictive analytics, a realm where data-driven insights empower clinicians to anticipate health risks, shaping interventions and care strategies. Section 6.2. Unraveling the web of predictive insights. Visualize the intricate threads of a spider's web, each strand signifying a piece of health data. Predictive analytics weaves these strands into a tapestry of insights. In this section, we delve into the mechanisms that underlie predictive analytics, deciphering how patterns and trends within data unveil future health trajectories. Chapter 6.3. Predicting Patient Readmissions. Section 6.3.1. Anticipating the Hospital Revolving Door. Picture a patient leaving a hospital, only to return shortly. Predictive analytics acts as a sentinel, identifying those at risk of readmission. We journey into how predictive models analyze historical patient data, medical history, and contextual factors to forecast the likelihood of patients returning to the hospital. Section 6.3.2. Enhancing Transitional Care. Imagine a bridge guiding patients from hospital to home seamlessly. Predictive analytics constructs this bridge, equipping healthcare providers to offer personalized post-discharge plans that minimize the risk of readmission. We explore how these analytics enable tailored interventions and ensure smoother transitions. Chapter 6.4. Early Warning Systems for Critical Care. Section 6.4.1. The Guardian of Critical Moments. Visualize a sentinel stationed in an ICU, vigilant to the slightest changes in a patient's condition. Early warning systems embody this sentinel's role, continuously monitoring patient data to detect deteriorations. In this section, we explore how predictive analytics alerts medical teams to intervene before critical situations escalate. Section 6.4.2. Shaping Timely Interventions. Think of a lighthouse guiding ships away from treacherous waters. Early warning systems serve as beacons, providing caregivers with timely insights that allow interventions before a patient's health deteriorates severely. We delve into the technologies that underpin these systems, safeguarding patient lives. Chapter 6 Conclusion. Embracing the Power of Foresight. As we conclude this chapter, the power of predictive analytics to transform patient care becomes evident. We've witnessed how data-driven foresight can predict patient readmissions, enhance transitional care, and even foresee critical care needs. Predictive analytics is not just a tool, it's a guardian angel, aiding clinicians in foreseeing health challenges and orchestrating interventions that redefine the landscape of patient-centric care. In the upcoming chapter, we step into the world of real-world applications, exploring case studies where predictive analytics reshapes patient care through risk stratification, readmission prediction, and the creation of early warning systems that stand sentinel over critical moments in healthcare. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.